Hi, and welcome to the second season of MiRealSource's Quick Tips. I'm Debbie Fajardo, Director of Education, and we're continuing to bringing you the tips you've grown to love. We've got great content to help you navigate Paragon and all of the great resources we have. I hope you'll enjoy today's Quick Tip. Getting the most out of your Homesnap account is all about finding great information. How do you find all of that great information and training? You know we have our YouTube channel, and you can find the Homesnap videos that we've done in there. But did you know that Homesnap offers a lot of videos and tutorials and other information themselves? When you're in Paragon, simply click on your resources icon and select Homesnap Pro. Now you will need to know your Homesnap login for this. I know most of us have saved it on our phones, but once you log into Homesnap on your computer, it'll remember it there for you as well. How to find great information in Homesnap. You'll want to go to the Pro Agents section and select the Homesnap Pro University. From here, you'll see there's live training, tutorials, recorded webinars, and printables. We're first going to take a peek at the tutorials. You'll see setting up your Homesnap account, seller leads, buyers, comprehensive MLS data. You'll also find paid products here as well, things that you can do with Homesnap Pro Ads and the Homesnap Pro Plus. Let's scroll back to the top. You'll see some deep dives, recorded webinars. I'd like to take a peek at those printables. So here's your printable resources. There's your agent field guide. It's a great resource for everything related. Your setup guide, your pro feature sheet. Remember, being a realtor and a member of Homesnap through MiRealSource makes you a Homesnap Pro user. This will get you their feature sheet on that way. You'll also have a client walkthrough guide helping your clients use the app as well. Now, me personally, I like to give my clients the Homesnap app along with setting them up on the Collab Center in Paragon. That way it's the best of both worlds. They're getting automated emails from the system, but when they're wanting to do searches on their own, they can find what they need, and it's branded to you. Now the next thing I'd like to show you is how to find it on your app itself. So I'm going to tap into my Homesnap app. From here, I'm going to go down to my Pro Agents. So no matter where you are, you'll be able to find information that you need. So I will scroll down to my Homesnap Pro University. And I might go into my recorded webinars from here. Here's my crash course on Homesnap Pro. And I will select Watch the Recording. So no matter where you are, you'll be able to find exactly what you need whenever you need. And don't forget about the new push notifications just released. And you'll find that information right in the education corner in this week's Quick Tip. I hope you've enjoyed this week's Quick Tip and have learned how to help yourself a little bit more. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel to make sure you see all the quick tips coming out every week from MiRealSource.